Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Hyundai Palisade with its smart key. First, make sure you have your key fob readily available. Before attempting to start the engine, always confirm your vehicle is securely in the park position. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. This is a crucial safety step before proceeding to start your engine. Once your foot is on the brake, find the engine start/stop button. It's usually located on the dashboard, often near the steering wheel. With the key fob inside the vehicle, simply press this button once. You should hear the engine come to life, and the dashboard lights will illuminate, indicating the vehicle is ready to drive. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: on another note, if you love reading, you'll adore the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for catching up on your favorite books while waiting in your Palisade. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. If your Palisade doesn't start on the first try, don't worry. A common issue is a low key fob battery. Try holding the key fob directly against the engine start/stop button while pressing it. This allows the vehicle to read the key's internal transponder, even if the battery is weak. It's a handy trick for those unexpected moments. Sometimes your Palisade might not detect the key fob. First, confirm the key is definitely inside the vehicle, not just in your pocket outside. Also, try to keep the key away from other electronic devices like phones, which can interfere with the signal. Metallic objects in the console or cup holders can also block the signal, so clear the area if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.